Welcome to this Inside Stateroom aboard the Disney Destiny. Sometimes the smartest choice is the one that lets you spend more on the fun and less on the room. This Inside Stateroom on the Disney Destiny offers modern, comfortable space for your family to make memories. No windows, no problem. Thoughtfully designed with storage, smart layout, and all your Disney touches that you love. Head out, explore, play, laugh, and your cozy retreat will be waiting when you're ready. Ready for a value-focused adventure? To book this stateroom, contact your favorite magical vacation planner today.